rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Well, hello everybody. Thank you all for joining us in this little live stream that I'm doing right now. So, today we are going to be going over the brand new released insider preview of Windows 11. So, let's get it straight into it. So, here we are on the lock screen of Windows 11. Things have changed definitely around here. So, let's get straight into it. Let's enter our pen. So first thing that you will notice, we now have much better wallpapers. So the first thing that we're going to go through is the brand new settings app. So first of all, let's get this straight out. I do not like the taskbar in the center. I always prefer it on the left. So I put it on the left. So first of all, before we get into our wallpapers, let's get into changing the taskbar. So we're going to right click on our start button here and we're going to click on settings. When we click on the start menu, we have a whole lot of things such as task manager, settings, file explorer, run, search, and even our shutdown things. But we want our settings app. This is totally redesigned and it looks so much better. So how do we change our taskbar? So we're going to go into personalization. So we have a columned look now. We have our left column with all our main tiles and our right column with everything else. So we want our personalization tile. As we see here, we have a whole bunch of themes to choose from. Let's choose the default theme for now. So that is what it looks like. So let's go into taskbar. We have a whole bunch of options here. Let's go to taskbar behaviors. And as we see here, we see taskbar alignment to the left. We're going to choose that to the center. So now our taskbar is on the center. So let's go through some other personalization features in Windows 11 right after this.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Stay 'cause the flames won't burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain pointing blaming you, you did not know. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Alright, so we are back. So let's continue going over the things in the taskbar and the settings app. So, as you know, the taskbar was totally redone. So let's take a few looks at the new taskbar. So if we go down here to the time area, we will get our new action center. Well, it's not really actions anymore, it's just your notifications. Down here we have our calendar, and up in here we have our actual notifications. And we have our suggested saying Windows 11 is coming. So how do we actually get this? So we're going to go down to Windows Update. Now, this is in Windows 11, in Windows 10. It's pretty much the exact same thing. Then we're going to click on Windows Insider Program. In Windows 10, it'll be on the left saying Insider Program. Then we're going to hit Join. And if it asks you, log in. Or if you're not, you're just going to say Join the Insider Program. I'm sorry that I don't have a copy of Windows 10. So, in personalization, we can choose a whole lot of different things. One thing that sticks out to me is touch keyboard. If we go into touch keyboard here, we can make our keyboard look exactly how we want, just like in Microsoft SwiftKey and a Gboard. So let's take a look at the keyboard. So if we go down here, I had to add this. We just click on our touch keyboard. Or if we're on a tablet, it should just automatically be there. So we have this entirely new keyboard with a whole new look. We can go to our theme and resize, and that will take us straight to the settings app. We can make our keyboard bigger or smaller, depending on how we want it to look. We can make it ultra small or ultra big. That's just depending on how you like it. We can make it look exactly how we want by going to our key text size, or if we want a background. If we don't, then it's just going to show our keys, not an actual key. It'll just show letters. So let's take a look at what we can do here. Let's move this up a bit. Let's say I want it red. That will just change it to be red. And also, we have a new logo down here. So unfortunately, your older keyboards aren't going to work because of this new key. We also have our default, a light, and a dark keyboard for our dark mode lovers. And we also have ones with actual colors and pictures. And of course, we can do a custom theme, which we can, of course, edit. We can choose our colors. We can choose our key types. And we can choose how our window actually looks. And we can even use our own picture for the first time. So that is a look at the new touch keyboard on Windows 11. Let's take a look at the start menu. So if we go down here, we can click on our start menu and get this entirely new menu. This is based off of the Windows 10X start menu, and it looks extremely nice, and it's very simple to use. All of your pinned programs are pinned right at the top here, and of course you can add more. Let's say I wanted the groove music. I just right click it and say pin to start, and it's right there. Simple as that. We can also pin something like sticky notes, and it's right there, just as you expected it to be. So, what if we wanted to move Notepad next to Groove Music? Well, of course we can. We can just drag it right next to Groove Music. Just like that. So, well, actually, first of all, we have to move sticky notes next to it. Just like that. And then we can move Notepad next to Groove Music. It's as easy as that. What if we wanted to pin something to the taskbar? Well, you just right click it and say pin to taskbar, just like that. Or maybe we can even drag it, but it doesn't look like it. Now, let's take a quick look at the new Microsoft Store. This has been entirely redesigned for the next generation of Windows users. Over here we have our home, our apps, our gaming, and our entertainment. All right here on the new Windows Store. Now, in the future, I can't demo this yet. As it says, it's a preview. There will be brand new Android apps running from the Amazon App Store right here on the Microsoft Store. So, for the first time, you can run Android apps natively on Windows 11. We have our Microsoft 365 apps right here, and in the future, they'll get a whole new redesign, as you saw in the Windows 11 keynote. So, this has just been a quick little look at the Windows 11 experience. It's going to be amazing, and I can't wait for you to get your hands on it. Now, to get this Windows 11, you have to have an 8th generation core processor or later with 64 gigs of storage and a TPM 2.0 chip. So, not all computers are going to be able to run Windows 11 natively. But, if you upgrade your computer, you can get it free of charge in the holiday season of 2021. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. Why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried